How to fix incomplete archive. Let's try to upload a theme. Getting this error, so let's check how we can fix that. First of all, we need to unzip here, then try to open this folder in terminal. Let's create a zip. With the command if you are using Mac, so zip r x x name of the zip, say this theme name chalk bazaar, so I'm typing. That means it will represent all file in the zip, so we need to start. So this command will make a zip in the folder. So let's check it. We have a file, zip theme again in the directory, so we can check this folder and exact file what we need. We have the same file and the theme or record file. So let's try again to upload the theme. Appearance, themes, add new themes, upload, select file, so it's in theme file, this one, click install. Looks now it's working fine and uploaded successfully. So if you are using an Windows, so just need to file extract file and you will get a folder name. You will get a folder OX. I will get a folder like this, so you need to remove it. Then create zip again, so it will work for Windows if you are using Windows machine. Thank you for watching.